Hi everyone, let's see what we are going to create today. It's an amazing one. You see it's look pretty good. So let's see how we can create that. Okay, at first we need to add a new slide. In the new slide, you need to create this 3 rectangle. That's the easy one. You create a one, and after that you create 3 copy of them. That I'm going to copy the first slide for that. And after that, just the coloring is important. For the coloring of this shape, you see I use 3 color. Let's change the colors so you understand. Let's go for blue here, and here a little lighter blue, and then let's go with the sky blue and also the lightest blue. And after that, you need to also change the color of these things in that order also. Let's say this blue, and also this light blue. So after that, you see you need to also change something else. You need to give these things some shadows from here. You need to give them this shadow. Okay. After that, it's created. You copy that, and this copy, when we come here, we increase it in size. You see? And after increasing in size, we just copy the text, paste it here, and then copy this slide, the first slide, don't forget that. Then increase it in size. And after increasing its size, copy the next text, and then copy the first slide again, increase it in size, and then after increasing its size, don't forget to copy the last text and put it here. Now set the transition to all of the slide to more. Your slide is ready. Let's take a look at how amazing it's going to look like. Okay, you see it has a great effect and it's really enjoyable. If you want anything, ask me in the comments. I will answer you. Have a nice time.